Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you OnePay credit card transaction decline. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do in order to fix the issue is check internet and the app. Ensure you have the strong internet connection by dropping down the toolbar, long tapping on the Wi-Fi and try switching it from the Wi-Fi internet connection. Then once that's done, if that works, it's good. If that doesn't work, simply try switching it to mobile data and close and reopen the OnePay app and try again. Then if that doesn't work, what you can do is verify your card status by simply heading over and opening up the app, then tapping on login or sign in at the bottom, entering in your mobile number and login to your account and check for available credit, card frozen or locked or fraud alerts. If your card is frozen, simply unfreeze the card if necessary. Then next step that you can do in order to fix the issue is simply head over and open up the app store. Then on the search bar type in OnePay, and once the app loads, tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app will fix the issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is simply head over and dial contact support number located on your credit card bank, then provide merchant name and amount, then date and time of the failed transaction and error messages. They can authorize the payment or advise on the next steps as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply to fix the issue, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.